So after returning to my workplace after isolation, I decided I needed an actual dedicated soldering station. The amount of times that I've pulled out the equipment, put it on the workbench, and then had to pack it away due to other jobs just started to frustrate and annoy me. Then after talking to my chiropractor, I decided to make a standing desk. So the dilemma that I have is I'm close to about 6 foot, I think about 185 centimeters tall, and I'm always hunching over to work on phones. So I end up making this desk 130 centimeters tall. So it goes up to almost my armpits, which I find usually if I'm bending down to look at the screen or looking at the microscope or this whatever I'm working on, at this height it's a lot less annoying. So right now I've got my Hacko soldering station, a 22-inch monitor, some Chinese microscope, my quick 861W, and just a random tub of a whole bunch of various connections and whatnot. So the bench top itself was 1.8 meters long by 600 mil deep. So enough space that I can virtually work on anything without having to move anything out of the way. Also putting up a fume extractor, just a cheap eBay one. And so far I've been pretty happy with the workbench. So considering the first couple of jobs had paid for all the timber and materials needed to put this in, and as you can see, as I mentioned, essentially at my armpits, a little bit below that, but that's fine. But I think from here my next upgrades will be decent hangers off the wall to actually put all the flux and just various connectors I need, and also a spot to mount a camera looking straight down from the top or overhead. But yeah, it's certainly one thing I wish I did a lot sooner than I have. But it's here now, and it's proven to be quite useful. Anyway, that's just a small upgrade in my workplace. And what's your thoughts on the standing soldering station or standing workplaces in general? Anyway, I'll see you guys in another video. Bye.